Before you make a decision about buying into Hotel Las Islas, there are a few things you absolutely need to know. This product is creating a lot of buzz in the hospitality and luxury market, but is it right for you? I'll walk you through the essential details and why it might be exactly what you're looking for. Just stay with me until the end, because there's an offer you won't want to miss. Now, if you're looking at Hotel Las Islas, you probably already know that it's a destination that promises luxurious stays. But before jumping in, one thing to understand is the pricing structure. Compared to competitors like Dreams or Secrets Resorts, Hotel Las Islas is positioned as a more premium experience, but with that comes higher price points. So, what's included in that price? Unlike some other options where you end up paying for add-ons that really add up, here, a lot of the experiences are already baked into the price. Expect premium dining, exclusive excursions, and personalized services, things you might have to pay extra for elsewhere. Next thing to consider is the location. Situated in a breathtaking spot, it offers stunning beach views, lush jungles, and the kind of secluded charm that's perfect for a romantic getaway or a private retreat. While competitors might offer similar views, the atmosphere at Hotel Las Islas feels more intimate and authentic. It's not just about the location, but how they've really embraced local culture in their design and service. It's one of the things that sets it apart from others that may feel a bit more cookie-cutter. The third thing to mention is the room quality. This is where the comparison with other luxury resorts really becomes clear. Unlike standard hotel chains that offer similar rooms regardless of location, Hotel Las Islas puts a huge emphasis on unique room designs that reflect the beauty and charm of the surrounding area. Whether it's a beachfront villa or a jungle view suite, you're getting a highly curated experience with a level of privacy and luxury that's hard to find elsewhere. Now, the fourth thing to think about is the exclusivity of services. If you're used to mass-market resorts with long lines at the bar and crowded pools, you'll appreciate the VIP-style service that Hotel Las Islas delivers. This isn't the kind of place where you'll find yourself competing for space or waiting in line for a dinner reservation. Every guest is treated like a VIP with personal attention and priority booking for excursions. This is a huge difference compared to some competitors that have a more generic service approach, where you may not always feel like a top priority. Next, you'll want to know about the food and dining options. While some resorts make the mistake of offering bland buffet-style dining, Hotel Las Islas goes above and beyond. They provide a diverse selection of high-quality restaurants, each offering dishes that cater to a variety of tastes. What stands out is how much attention is given to offering not just great food, but a dining experience. If you've ever felt like other luxury resorts just don't care enough about the food, you'll appreciate what they're doing here. The sixth thing to keep in mind is the level of privacy. While many resorts today offer crowded public spaces, Hotel Las Islas really stands out when it comes to offering a more private experience. Whether it's secluded beaches or private excursions, you won't feel like you're just another guest among many. You're treated to a level of privacy that's perfect for those looking to relax and unwind without the typical resort hustle. Lastly, one of the things that people often overlook is the long-term value. While the upfront cost might seem steep compared to some other resorts, when you take into account the level of luxury, the quality of services, and the exclusive experiences on offer, you may find that it actually works out to be more cost-effective in the long run. You're not paying for gimmicks or upsells here. What you see is what you get, and that's why many find Hotel Las Islas to be a better investment compared to alternatives. So, if you want to experience all of this for yourself and get the best deal possible, be sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll get exclusive benefits and access to a free trial you won't find anywhere else. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this offer.